Is your mobile data burning so fast? This is what you can do to save your mobile data from burning so fast. We all know these days the economy is not smiling. In fact, those of us in Nigeria really know what is happening now. So you don't have to be wasting your data. Now, what do? What we are going to teach you is how to save your data, and also the app where you can buy cheap data that will last longer on your phone. Make sure you watch this video, subscribe to this video, and share this video to all your friends. So let's begin on how to save your data on your mobile phone. So the first thing you will do is click on settings on your phone. Once you click on settings, you can see this is my phone setting. Then you click on SIM and network setting at that place. Once you click on it, you'll see data and security. Click on that data and security. You'll see data setting and data usage. Click on that place. Once you click on that place, see data saver. Click on that saver you are seeing there. Once you click on it, then my own is already on. Now let's off it and see. You can see I've offed it. Now you on it again. So once you on it, you switch it on. Once you switch it on, this will save all your mobile data. So what is the function of this data saver? Number one function is that it will disallow app to run on background. You know, there are some app like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter that do runs on your phone background. Now once you switch it on, it will be on data saver, and those apps will not be running on background. And once they are not running on background, they will not be consuming your data. So it is only when you open an app that your data will be running. So by using the data saver mode, you are saving cost and you're also saving your data. Now, in case there are some apps that you need regularly, maybe those that work on emails, you can easily press on unrestricted data at that place. Once you press on it, that place you can exclude some app from being blocked by this data saver mode. Maybe you are running on emails and you need emails notification constantly. You can put it there and it will work. So that's the simple idea of how to save your mobile data on your phone. You can save data for MTN, Glo, airtel, mobile, anyone. You can save data for it. So where can you get cheap data network for all your browsers? Now this is a platform where you can buy cheap data. So when you want to buy your data for MTN, mobile, airtel, Glo, just simply go to Jumiabot, type Jumiabot on your browser and register on the website. It is very, very easy to use. You don't have to be wasting your money on buying cost data from all these bank apps and everything. Just go to Jumiabot and buy your data from there. They are very, very cheap. Just register. Once you register, fund your wallet. Once you fund your wallet, then keep using. Let me show you some of their services that they run on this Jumiabot app. So this is it. You get to buy data. There's data. They just click on buy data. Once you fund your wallet, click on buy data. Once you click on buy data, select the network. Once you select the network, just select the type that you need. They run data for all the network and it's very, very cheap. You can even go to their website. Then once you see it, compare it with the one you buy on all this app that you used to use. This one is very, very cheap. So you don't have to waste your money, and they have a lasting data there, like data that will last you longer. They have it there. So what are you still waiting for? Just head on to www.jumiabot.com. Register, fund your wallet. If you do not know how to fund your wallet, contact the admin on WhatsApp. They are always available 24/7. They will help you out with the account number. Just transfer to it, fund your wallet, and keep buying the data. Let me show you some of their service, because you can also buy airtime at cheaper rate there. Discount airtime every time. Let me show you some of their services. In fact, you will really enjoy their customer service. Let me show you some of their services. So this is it. They run data, they run airtime, utility bills. You can pay your bills, cable TV subscription, StarTimes subscription, NEPA bill. You can also buy exam scratch card on the app. You can also buy a recharge card. You can do bulk SMS and many other things. You can pay your NEPA bills on the app. So you don't have to stress yourself. It is a bill payment app where you can pay all your online transactions from this app. And like I said, you have to register. Once you register, fund your wallet. Once you fund your wallet, you are good to go. So it's as simple as that. Register today, www.jumiabot.com, or type Jumiabot on your browser and it will bring it out on the first page. Register and fund your wallet. In fact, if you are a reseller, you can even contact them as a reseller and they will be able to upgrade your account to reseller, and you buy data and airtime at discount prices. What are you still waiting for? Grab your copy now.